How to make map animation in Canva. The first thing you want to do is open up any web browser and head over to canva.com. Now you want to click on a video, then select this layout, which is video landscape. Once you get here, the first thing you want to do is click on elements. Now search for world map. Now select a map from here, or you can also upload your own. Now simply adjust the map to the page. Then right click on the slide and click on duplicate page. Now you want to zoom in on the country that you want to animate. Now here search for the map of the country that you want to animate. In my case, I'm going to search for a map of Spain. Then add colors to that. After that is done, you want to click on the share option. Now select download. Here select PNG. Then check the box that says transparent background and click on the download option. Once it has been downloaded, head over to the second slide. Over here, you want to simply upload the picture that you have just downloaded. Now you want to adjust the picture with the border. After that is done, click on text, then click on add a text box. Then type in the name of the country. Now adjust the text over the country. After this, you want to right click and then select layer. Now select show layers. Now you simply want to adjust the layers. First, you want to adjust the layer of the element, then adjust the text. Once that is done, select the element and then click on animate. Now select ink, which is going to look something like this. Now you want to add transition, select match and move, then drag the duration to the fullest. Once that is done, this is how your map animation is going to look like. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.